Hi friends, people are crazy for white teeth. Americans spend on an average of $1 billion every year for teeth whitening. However, ironically, these whitening products contain harmful chemicals or bleaching agents that can damage your enamel and gums. First of all, we should know what causes yellow teeth. There are broadly three different reasons for yellow teeth. Number 1, surface stains. There are certain food items that cause temporary stains on your teeth. For example, coffee, tea, sauces, wine, certain sodas, candies, etc. These stains are completely normal, and when you get these stains, just rinse with fresh water regularly. That's all. These stains go away automatically in few hours or few days. Number 2, plaque. Plaque is nothing but a pale yellow layer that forms on the teeth when food is mixed with saliva. This plaque contains bacteria. The plaque formation is continuous and is completely natural process. If this plaque is not cleaned up regularly, it might mineralize into something called tartar, which will be difficult to remove. Number 3, enamel erosion. The teeth is protected with a hard white layer called enamel. When this enamel starts to wear off, it exposes the inner tissue called dentin, which is yellow in color. So when this dentin is exposed, your tooth becomes translucent yellow in color. Besides, in this case, you will suffer from sensitive tooth and gum issues. So enamel erosion is something that you should prevent it, and if it happens, you should address it quickly. Now we know what causes tooth discoloration. We should also know what we should never put on the teeth for teeth whitening. Some people unknowingly use some remedies for teeth whitening thinking that it will help, but in fact they are actually damaging their teeth. We should always avoid such remedies. For example, applying lemon juice on teeth.
Among all citrus fruits, lemon is highly acidic. If lemon juice is applied to the teeth, it can strip the calcium away from the teeth.
It might also damage enamel. So stay away from applying lemon juice on teeth.
Some people go extreme and use lemon juice mixed with baking soda for instant teeth whitening. Baking soda, when used alone, can be beneficial to the teeth, but mixing baking soda with lemon is bad.
Because the acid in lemon softens the tooth surface, and baking soda, being mild abrasive, can easily wear away the enamel. This combination of lemon juice and baking soda is terrible. Number 2, stop using any whitening toothpaste. When they label a toothpaste for teeth whitening, just don't buy it. Most of these whitening toothpaste, even the popular commercial brands, contain strong abrasive elements to give you the temporary feeling of teeth whitening, but on the long run, they actually damage your teeth and may cause enamel loss. Number 3, stop using apple cider vinegar on the teeth. This is for the same acidic reason like lemon. Apple cider vinegar is highly acidic, and when it is applied on the teeth, it can cause enamel erosion. Number 4, stop using activated charcoal.
Activated charcoal is more hyped up than what actually it is.
Though activated charcoal has some stain removal effect, but it is still a strong abrasive and can damage your teeth and gums.
It must be used carefully, very gently on teeth, and only for few days. Again, not all activated charcoal is made the same.
So avoid using the activated charcoal unless you are sure how to use it.
So use only those remedies which are safe and effective for teeth whitening. In my opinion, health of teeth and gums is much more important than cosmetic appearance. If you wish to whiten the teeth naturally, take a look at our natural, safe teeth whitening methods in our channel. If you like this video, please hit like button, subscribe and come back for more interesting videos. Love to see you again.